NutriBullet Blender Combo Review. Smoothie King NutriBullet Blender Combo is a great choice for smoothie lovers. In this video we are going to give you perfect NutriBullet Blender Combo review. NutriBullet is looking to leave behind its past as an as seen on TV product and trying to become a health-conscious lifestyle brand. As part of the rebranding, it has introduced its first full-size blender, the NutriBullet Blender Combo, $140. The company is positioning the new blender as a rival for top-of-the-line blenders, like those from Vitamix, at a much lower price point. If you want to buy, please click on the link below in description. The Magic Bullet NutriBullet is our favorite personal blender, but we wondered how its big brother would stand up to some of the other big competitors in the blender market. So, we put it through some rigorous testing to see exactly how well the NutriBullet Blender Combo compares. First impressions: the NutriBullet Blender Combo's wide base occupies the same space as a regular blender, and then some, since it has two cups, one for 32-ounce single servings and another 64-ounce pitcher. I know you can't really hold that against it since it's a 2-in-1 product, but it's something to consider if you have limited room. The modern, stainless steel body looks a lot like more expensive blenders on the market, and is heavy. The heft is a good feature because lighter bases tend to be unstable and bounce around during heavy-duty jobs. It also has suction cups on the bottom to keep it firmly attached to the counter, no matter how wild the blending action becomes. The modern, stainless steel body looks a lot like more expensive blenders on the market, and is pretty heavy. The controls are also easy to use right out of the box. Unlike the Blendtec Designer 725, which has 100 different speed settings, the Combo only has 5. For most people, extract, low, high, medium, and pulse are all you're going to need anyway. Features and design: a few other nifty features make it stand out from the crowd. One of the first features you may notice is the extract button. This programmed button is used to take smoothie ingredients, including whole fruit and ice cubes, and turn them into a smoothie with just one touch. When it's done with the smoothie making, it turns off automatically. While the NutriBullet Blender Combo seems to center around smoothie making, with its mini blender cup and extract button, it doesn't forget about hot foods. The full-size blender vessel includes a vented lid that allows you to blend piping hot foods. The lid is particularly exciting for me, since I blend hot soups more than anything else in my kitchen. Just be sure not to try this trick with the smaller single-serve blender cup.